Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, depending on when you're watching this video. Today, we are going to be looking at the topic matrices. Now, before we go further, we are going to be able to define a matrix. Don't forget, matrices is the plural of matrix. So, we're going to be able to define a matrix to understand what a matrix is. Now, a matrix is a set of real or complex numbers arranged in rows and columns to form a rectangular array. Now, order of a matrix. We're going to be looking at the first subheading under matrices, which is the order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is said to be an m by n matrix and of order m by n. Now, we're going to be able to give an example of what a matrix is and then state its order so that you understand very well. So let's take for an example, we are asked to find the order of this matrix, for example. Now we have a matrix A equals A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and we are asked what is the order of the matrix. Don't forget, this is a typical example of a matrix, how a matrix looks like. And they're asking us what is the order of this matrix. Now, the order of the matrix, like we've said before, is the number of rows it has by the number of columns it has, which is represented by m times n, where our multiplication sign represents by. So we're going to count how many rows it has and how many columns it has. So let's start with the number of rows. With arrow, one arrow, two arrows. So it has two rows, which means 2 times. This times is pronounced as by. 2 by. We're going to now count the number of columns it has. Let's go. One arrow, two arrow, three arrow by 3. So therefore, matrix A is of order 2 by 3. Don't forget, multiplication means by. That is our answer. I hope this is very clear and you're not going to have any challenges if you face something like this in the future. Thank you so much for joining me on this class and join me as we go into the next subheading in our next video. Please don't forget to share, like, comment. Thank you so much.